Have you ever wondered how to invest in parking lots? In this video, I'm going to share with you why parking lots are one of the most profitable real estate investments that exist. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to get started with parking lot investing. The demand for parking nationwide is stronger than ever, but what's the competition in a given area like? Here are a few of the critical details that you need to take in consideration when evaluating a parking lot investment. How the right spot can make all the difference in the world. Find out what to look for to ensure your investment is a surefire moneymaker. Why zoning and regulations are soon to be your new favorite words. Yeah, I'm serious about that. Efficiency is key when it comes to managing this unique asset. Keep watching to learn the secrets of successful management and maintenance. Why you should not pull the trigger without knowing the 3 R's. How this asset can take your risk mitigation game up a notch, even if you're already diversified. Now, before we jump into talking about demand and competition, let me give you a quick overview of the asset class itself. You see, parking lot investments offer several benefits that you can't find with other real estate investments. These include steady income stream from parking fees, a relatively low operating cost, and potential long-term capital appreciation. Additionally, parking lots can provide diversification to your investment portfolio, reducing overall risk and increasing stability. Parking lots are a unique asset class that is less susceptible to market fluctuations and economic downturns. They also tend to have consistent demand due to increasing number of vehicles on the road and also limited available parking spaces in urban areas. Moreover, parking lot investments can benefit from strategic locations near popular attractions such as businesses or transportation hubs or event centers. This ensures a consistent flow of vehicles and consequently a continuous stream of income. Furthermore, parking lots typically have low maintenance costs compared to other types of real estate investments, making them more cost-effective and potentially more profitable. When evaluating potential parking lot investments, it's crucial to consider several key factors. These include location, demand, competition, zoning regulations, and management and maintenance requirements. The location of a parking lot investment is crucial for success. Ideally, the parking lot should be in a high traffic area where there is a constant demand for parking spaces. This could be near popular attractions such as, businesses or transportation hubs, sports arenas, event centers, concert centers, what have you. Even airports, train stations, and bus terminals are all constant demand drivers. Now, consider the surrounding area and the demographic of the people who are likely to use the parking lot. Are there office buildings or retail centers nearby, or is the parking lot close to a residential neighborhood? Understanding the potential customer base will help you better target your marketing efforts and maximize your revenue. Additionally, research the local market conditions to understand the level of demand for parking spaces. Now, this includes analyzing the availability of parking spaces, the occupancy rates of nearby parking lots, and the prevailing parking rates in the area. Now, understanding these factors will help you make informed decisions about pricing and marketing strategies, ensuring that your parking lot investment remains profitable. The level of competition in a particular market is a major point of consideration before investing in a parking lot because it can directly impact the profitability of that investment. This is so simple, but so important. You want to ask yourself, are there other parking lots in the area? Are they closer to any entertainment hubs, restaurants, residential areas, offices, maybe sports arenas, what have you? The massive demand for parking in general isn't enough to go all in on this investment. You need to make sure that you're not investing in a dud. And what if there's a high level of competition in the local market? It may be more challenging to attract and retain customers, potentially leading to lower occupancy rates and revenue. And what if there's low competition in the market? Then there may be a higher demand for parking, resulting in, higher occupancy rates and potentially higher revenue for your parking lot. Zoning and regulations play a crucial role in the success of a parking lot investment. First off, it's essential to ensure that the parking lot complies with all local zoning and regulatory requirements. Non-compliance can result in fines, legal issues, or even the closure of the parking lot. Stay informed about any upcoming changes to zoning or regulations that may affect your investment's profitability. For example, changes to the parking requirements for new developments. Maybe the introduction of a new parking tax or new fees assessed by the county or city. Or maybe alterations to street parking regulations that could all impact your parking lot's revenue potential. But even more importantly, you need to consider whether there are any opportunities to leverage the zoning and regulations to your advantage. Now, on a micro level, if the area surrounding your parking lot is being redeveloped, there may be opportunities to negotiate favorable zoning changes or to collaborate with local authorities on a joint venture development. However, on the macro level, there have been significant moratoriums and zoning restrictions in major cities across the United States that are keeping the parking supply artificially constrained. This means that there is a government-mandated low supply at a time of extremely high demand. This is one of the major factors that make parking lots such an attractive asset class. People really need a place to park, and they're not just building more of these things, and so we consider this a major win for investors. Now that you know what to look for on the market and the economic levels, let's get into the day-to-day details. Efficient management and maintenance are key to the success of a parking investment. A well-managed and maintained parking lot is more appealing to potential customers, increasing its revenue potential. Evaluate the costs associated with management and maintenance, including things such as staffing, security, lighting, landscaping, snow removal, and just overall general upkeep. You also need to consider whether to handle these tasks in-house or to contract them to a professional management company. Now, if you decide to outsource management and maintenance, then ensure that you select a reputable company with a proven track record in the industry. I've got a free gift for you in the description of this video. We're here to help you with all your passive investing needs. But if you haven't guessed it by now, one of our absolute favorite asset classes is parking facilities. We work with these asset classes every day and know them inside out. If you want to learn more about what, in our humble opinion, is among the best asset classes in all of real estate, then click the link in the description to dive deeper and get our free guide to parking lot investing. We hope you have found this information valuable and are now better equipped to make informed decisions about incorporating parking lots into your investment portfolio. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips on real estate investing. Until next video, you take care.